Alright, this is the Bowling Green subway station. This might be a really tall hydro.
Oh, there's multiple.
We go down to M. Now watch this. Get a cab view going down. What do you think about this, Zach?
Multiple floors in the subway station.
Uptown Bronx.
This must be the downtown station, which should have no one at it because we're basically at the last stop. You never know though.
Let's see which door opens up. It's this one. This is going to be an insanely tall hydraulic elevator. Takes forever to level. Let's listen to the motor going up. This is actually pretty epic. Here we are out on the street again. And that'll be it. Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.